Good morning, boys. We are resuming because there was a network problem in the Zoom class. So, whatever I have taught today, uh, I am giving you the brief. I have taught obsessive compulsive disorder, OCD. This is a kind of obsession. Those who are suffering from OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, they are suffering from obsession. What are the symbols and symptoms? Now, sometimes they perform obsessive behavior. They wash hands again and again before eating and after eating. A number of times they check the locks. Tala deke, after locking the door, they check the locks again and again. They don't believe. They cannot be sure that whether they have locked or not. They remain confused, hesitated at every time. Number two. Number three, they repeat the words. एक बार बोल के वही वर्ड बार बार बोलते रहते हैं. This is a type of obsession and this is very much common among the school going kids. So this is known as OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. And this is the anxiety disorder. Those who are suffering from obsessive compulsive disorder, they remain anxious, tensed. What will happen? What will not happen? They always. तो व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स ऑफ ओसीडी? क्या क्या इसका सिम्टम्स होता है? दे चेक द थिंग्स एवरी टाइम. दे चेक द जीप्स ऑफ देयर एयर बैग्स, वेदर इट इज गिवन और नॉट, वेदर इट इज जिप्ड और नॉट. एवरी टाइम दे चेक इट. दे कैनॉट able to control their activities. They are willing to control their activities, but they are not able to control their activities. Number two. Number three, they cannot focus on a point. कोई एक पॉइंट पे ये लोग फोकस नहीं कर सकते हैं. Those who are suffering from OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, they always think that whatever they will be expressing will not be accepted by the others. They always think their thoughts unpleasant. हमेशा ये लोग सोचते हैं कि हम जो बोलेंगे शायद मान्य नहीं होगा, शायद सब अनप्लीजेंट बोलेंगे, ठीक नहीं हुआ है ये बोलेंगे. सो दीज आर द सिम्टम्स. दिस इज वन टाइप ऑफ एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर, ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर. these are the symptoms. Now how to manage it? How to control obsessive compulsive disorder? Now what are the first cause बोलते हैं. चलो, what are the causes of obsessive compulsive disorder? ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर का कारण क्या होता है? द फर्स्ट कॉज इज जेनेटिक. इफ forefathers or ancestors had suffered from these ones, there may be relapse or this can be seen in the future generations. It can be inherited. This is the main cause. Number two, neurological factors. If the nervous system functions improperly, if there is a problem in transmitting messages, so this can happen. And number three, environmental factors. Sometimes environmental factor भी हो जाते हैं. Physical torture, mental torture, sometimes sudden shifting of the living place. एक मकान में बहुत दिन रहा, अचानक ट्रांसफ़र हो गया पापा का, दूसरे जगह में चले गए, दूसरा कल्चर, दूसरा स्टेट में चले गए, तो ये हो सकता है. इट मे बी पॉसिबल ड्यू टू दिस. अ सडन इलनेस may lead to OCD. How to manage OCD? काउंसलिंग थेरापी. हमेशा ए प्रोफेशनल काउंसलर बाय इस प्रोफेशनल सेशन, काउंसलिंग सेशन can cure this. And medication, if someone suffers from OCD, he or she must go to a psychiatrist and should get proper treatment. Thank you very much. Next coming.